Alright, welcome back to the Garcia Blended family. Today I'm just making a quick little breakfast scramble for the kids. Just starting up on some potatoes here, as you can see. Also, just finished cooking up some chorizo to add to that. And then of course our famous eggs. You see all the lovely colors on there. We've got some greens, some dark brown, light browns. These are all from our chickens. All different sizes and shapes. So what I'm going to do is try to put them together. Once I finish cooking this potato hash, what I'm going to do is put it in a bowl for the kids with some eggs, scrambled eggs, you know, and a little bit of chorizo mixed in there, get a little flavor, and then we'll see how that comes out. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll show you the end result of this. It's just a quick little thing. I'll probably just add this to the other video and we'll check back with you in a little bit. All right. Alright, just so you know, this is pretty much going to be finished up here. Now, the only reason I didn't record the chorizo, just an update on that, is because they were starting to smoke up, and that's something you have to be real careful with, because that smoke up will contain some spices, and it will aggravate your lungs, make you cough a lot. So you just got to be careful because it's hot spices. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this over, I'll make some scrambled eggs, and then be right back. Now what we do is we microwave the egg shells for our chickens, and what we do is I'll put that in for 3 minutes, and what that'll do is that'll clean it, cook it off. You'll hear some popping and some noises, but what that does is that'll take care of the bacteria, clean them up, and we can then crush them and feed the chickens. Now next what I'm going to do is I'm going to scramble the eggs, and then I'm going to put them in the pan so that we can cook that. So it'll just be ready in a few minutes. Pan's still nice and warm, so we got that going. So see if I can set this up so you can see me scramble the eggs, and then I'll show you the completed product. As you can see, the eggs are now completed. It's pretty quick. There's a little bit of browning on there. That's partially from me being a little overheated, I think, and also the oils from the chorizo, the redness and the darkness of that is combining in there for the flavor. But the eggs are now complete, so I will show you the breakfast scramble here in a second. Alright guys, so we're back, and this is basically the end product, and it's just a basic simple, you know, eggs with chorizo, as you can see under there, and the potatoes are at the bottom. So it mixes up pretty well and becomes a great little scramble. Breakfast scramble. It's got some spice, it's got some eggs, some protein, some carbs, everything you need for the start of the morning. So kids are eating it already, and they're liking it. So I just hope that this might help you guys out. And again, we're going to try to put some more series up here for different videos to help you with breakfast quick things. So if you guys like it, please subscribe. Put those likes, ring that bell, whatever you need to do to keep it up so that we can keep sending these out to you. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time.